I'm fresh. I'm hood. I look good. I look like babe. I look like babe. Ay, ay.
If you're interested to see how I did this intro, keep watching. Alright, so first you're just going to go to Google Images and you're just going to look up a wallpaper or background that you want. I wanted a pink wallpaper with diamonds, so that's what I looked up. And this is the one I chose, and you can either save it to your phone or you can screenshot it. I just downloaded it to my phone. Next, you're going to go ahead and download the PicsArt app. That is where you're going to be doing most of your editing at. And this part right here is actually optional. You don't have to do it like that. I just wanted mine this way. But if you want to, continue on doing what I'm doing. So you're just going to choose a white background color. And you're going to go to add photo and choose the photo that you want at the beginning of your video. Alright, so I'm choosing this one here. And I'm just going to go to cut out, and I'm going to outline my picture to make a sticker. And once you do that, just press the arrow, and it should look like this. And if you have some extra background, you can go ahead and erase that off. And then just going to press the arrow. Next, you're going to go to sticker, and you're going to type in the search box dripping effect. And I chose the white one, and just going to make it the size of your picture and just position it however you want it. Alright, so after that, you go ahead and go to effects and choose what type of filter you want. Once I did that, I'm going to go over and head to brushes, and this is how I did the lights in my eyes, if you saw it on there. So I'm just going to scroll over to the little dots, and I'm going to go ahead and do that and put it in my eye. And then if you want, like I said, to look around and put some extra little brushes on there, you can go ahead and do that. Then once you finish with that, you're going to go back to cutout, and you're going to cut that picture out, and that is your sticker. And again, if you need to take any of that excess background off, go ahead and do that. So once you're finished with that, you can go ahead and save it to your device, but that picture is already saved in your stickers. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to all photos, and you're going to choose your background that you picked. And now I'm going to be demonstrating how I did the slide where there were 3 of me. So just going to pick the picture of your choice, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to cut it out to make a sticker. And you see me filling in my hat because they did not do that part. But once you do that, you're just going to press save, and it should look like this. And I'm just going to make it big and put it in the corner. And once you finish that, you're going to press save, and you're going to save it to your phone. And then once you do that, you're going to come back, and since there's already a sticker there, you're just going to go to stickers, go to my stickers, and go to cutouts, and press that same photo. And this time you're just going to make it a little bit smaller than that one. And then once you do that, save it to your phone, come back and do the same thing, make that one smaller. And that is how I did that one. Alright, so for my social media page, I chose the background again, chose a picture, did cutout. Now you're going to go to stickers, and you're going to look up Instagram logo. And there's different kinds. You can choose whatever one you want. I chose this one right here. And then for Snapchat, go back and then do the same thing. You're going to type in Snapchat logo. And I chose this pink one here. And what I did was I went to blend, and I pressed lighten, so I can just have the white Snapchat itself. And then for the Facebook, you do the same thing. Then for text, just push that, and then you put in your social media information, and from there you can customize it from color, stroke, if you want an opacity, if you want to blend it into the screen. That's how you do that. And then you can just follow the same instructions from the first one that I told you, where you take the background, add the picture, save it, add another picture, save it. That's how I did this one. Now for videos, just go ahead and choose the video of your choice, and I chose the video for my birthday. And I'm going to go to trim, and I'm going to trim it for the length that I want. Once I do that, I'm going to scroll over to square fit, and I'm going to go to ratios, and I'm going to put it in YouTube size. Then I'm going to go to image, and I'm going to press my background. And then once I do that, I'm going to go over to stickers, and I'm going to type in phone. And it's going to bring up different types of phones. iPhone, you can do it sideways, you can do a black one. I just chose the regular one here. And then you're just going to fit it on your video. And it should look just like this, and then you're going to save it to your phone. So for my YouTube subscribe video, I just actually went into YouTube and typed in the share, comment, subscribe, and I just screen recorded it for probably like 10 seconds. And then once I did that, head back over to your PicsArt app, and you're going to go back to videos and choose that video that you screen recorded. Once you do that, you're going to go to crop, so you can crop out just that part that you need. So you see me doing that here. Once you got it fitted, you can go ahead and trim the video to the part that you needed, and you'll see me doing that here as well. So once you got your video trimmed to your liking, you go ahead and move on to the next step. And I actually kind of messed up on this part, so you will see me go back and do that. I was supposed to square fit it first, and I didn't, so that's me doing that there and noticing that I didn't do it. So go to square fit, and you're going to go to ratios and YouTube size it. And then once you do that, go to add photo, press your background, make that bigger than your video, and go to blend, and you're going to press multiply. And that's how I got my video to blend in with my background. So once you're satisfied with all your creations, you can go ahead and go to Video Maker if you're on Android, and iMovie if you're on iPhone. So you just go ahead and you're going to select all your pictures and videos. I actually put mine in order the way that I wanted it, but you don't have to do that because you can go and move your pictures around and stuff if you need to. Once you have everything selected, it's going to look like this. But now you want to edit the timing because it's going to be too long. So you're going to go to duration and press it to the seconds that you like. So you'll see me doing that here. You can do yours however fast or slow that you want yours. So once you're done with that, you go ahead and press music and add some sound to your video from your phone. or you can press featured and use the app's music, which I'm pretty sure you don't want to do, but it's your choice. You can also add some effects to your video. I personally did not use those for my video, but if you want to, you can. And if you do decide to do that, you're pretty much done with your video and you can go ahead and save it. But if you want to do the same thing I did, you can go ahead and follow me over to TikTok. So this is me heading over to TikTok, and I'm pretty sure by now everybody probably already has TikTok, so you should already know how to add effects and stuff to your videos. If not, it's just very easy. Just play around with it, you'll get it. But that's it. That's how I did my intro. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, subscribe, and comment.